Holy snapdragon. I went to the post office and look what was going on behind there. We're gonna have to go take a look. This is the desert. Why are there so many seagulls in the desert? There's no water here. What the heck? I'm gonna go have to investigate because this is crazy. Look at it. Let's go see what's happening over there. Hold on. What the heck is over there? Oh no, this is sheer madness. In the desert, I definitely have to take a look. Let's go, guys. We got to get to the bottom of this madness here. Well, oh my God.
Look at the ground out in the field, ma'am. You'll be shocked.
Oh my God.
It's like a horde of angels.
I was in shock. I couldn't do anything but stand there and look in amazement. Oh my goodness. Crazy. Are they eating people? Oh my God. That is amazing. Can you see that? Can you guys see that? And can you hear them? Oh shit, I'm out of here.